Beyond these misty mountains lies a secret Bhutanese village deep in the remote eastern Himalayas. This village is home to the Drukpa community of Bhutan. They follow Bhutanese culture, tradition, but still they hold proudly Indian citizenship. It's not just the culture, this place is a haven for exotic birds, rare mammals, and rich biodiversity. Also, we visited the infamous Buxa Fort and will know fascinating stories about Indian freedom fighters. So, if you don't want to visit Bhutan because of SDF tax, then this place is a great alternative. Reaching to Lepchakha is not easy because of its remote location. You park your car at 0 point at Shantalavari, then trek the rest of the way. When we stepped through the gate, it felt like a different world out there. And we have to follow the river as we walk. Meet our guide, James Bhutia, a man with incredible knowledge of birds and nature. He can mimic the calls of almost 70 different birds. As we climbed higher, he kept calling out. Slowly, the forest revealed its treasure. We spotted several species of birds along the way. This is an ant nest made by weaver ants. The worker ants stitch the leaves together with silk produced by their larvae.
এটা 50 বছর অবধি এটা মধ্যে থাকবে ও
কি পিঁপড়াটা
কেউ ডিস্টার্ব করলে পরে আবার এটা শিফট হয়ে যাবে এটা ছোট ছোট পিঁপড়া হয় কালো পিঁপড়া বলে আমরা এটাকে
That's great Indian hornbill, majestic bird. They love to eat the seeds inside from the fruit.
এটা বর্ষাকালে বেশি হয়। এটাকে বলে এখানকার লোকাল নাম আছে লাপচে বলে।
Living here is not easy. They walk every day steep mountains, carrying their daily routines. But people are happy living this way. This is the infamous Buxa Fort, known for its dark history. It was originally built by the Bhutanese king to guard a route to Tibet, but it was overtaken by the British and converted into a prison. It has a dark past. Many Indian freedom fighters were imprisoned and tortured to death.
যে কলা গাছে চাষ করে এরা মিষ্টি কুমড়া চাষ করে এগুলো চাষ করে এরা পুরা কৃষকরা আছে সবজি পুরা বিভিন্ন ধরনের জলীয় ফসল তৈরি করে এরা
And finally, welcome to Lepchakha. So this was our stay for the day, a perfect homestay with a Bhutanese family. After the simple delicious lunch, it was time to explore the village. This is Tasho, the traditional Bhutanese archery game. It was held here on yesterday. The target was set at this corner, and they shoot more than half a kilometer away. And look, they still managed to hit the target. But don't worry, we did not miss this game. We will be attending it tomorrow. And also, we have been invited for a puja ceremony. In our next video, you can watch it in full detail. And he is Saikadda, the warm host of our homestay. In the evening, he took me out of the village for more adventures. And a surprise. And he promised me to take me to see the rufous-necked hornbill, which is my favorite bird. And here it is. And I did screw up. I couldn't manage to correct the shutter speed. And it flew away. After a stunning sunset, I headed back to the village. When we got back to the homestay, Saikadda made me wear this Bhutanese dress, which is called Go. The sound of bells and drums was coming from the monastery. And it was our time for beer and barbecue. Perfect way to end the day. So folks, that's it. See you in the next video. Ciao.